All right, guys, welcome to the Friday directions. Same thing, just sticking with our video here. And again, if you're having trouble playing it, which I guess wouldn't be an issue, but it does have that age restriction, so you are going to have to click on this piece right here, watch on YouTube, and it'll bring you right there. All right, so if you haven't got a chance to get going yesterday, if you were sick or something like that, that's how you actually get to the video. And again, here's the questions. You only have to answer half of them. All right, so every other, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Shout out to me being able to count by odds. But that's basically the assignment for today. And for today's deal, I know I don't do Friday attendance. It's not my deal. It's with the school. But in the comments section on this directions video, just kind of give me like a one sentence or a one word like thought on the first part that you watched yesterday. Okay, just kind of what you get out of it. Some reflections. Maybe just like a one word to describe what you watched, and we'll kind of continue that thread or in that stream moving forward here. All right, guys, that's all I got. If you have any questions, email me. If you need to set up any individual Zoom or Google Hangout meets, we can definitely do that. Just let me know. Besides that, guys, have a good Friday, and I'll talk to you guys on Monday.